If your old emails are not showing in Gmail, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find missing older messages step by step, including archived mail, spam, trash, and filters that may be hiding them. This is one of the most common Gmail issues, and the good news is that in most cases, the emails are still there. You just need to know where to look. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Gmail in your browser by going to mail.google.com and sign in to your account. Once you're inside Gmail, look at the left-hand menu. One of the first places you should check is the All Mail folder. This folder can show older emails that have been archived instead of staying in your main inbox. A lot of people think an email disappeared, when really it was just moved out of the inbox automatically or by mistake. Now, if you still cannot find the message, use the Gmail search bar at the top. Email has powerful search tools that can help you locate old emails much faster. One simple search you can use is older underscore then :1y. This tells Gmail to show emails older than 1 year. If you want to search by a specific date, try before January 1st, 2025. You can also type the sender's name, email address, or a keyword from the subject or message body. This is especially useful if you only remember part of the email. If the email still does not appear, check your spam folder. Sometimes Gmail may move messages there by mistake, especially if the sender is unfamiliar or the message contains links. Next, check your trash folder as well. If the email was deleted recently, it may still be recoverable before it is permanently removed. Also, check any archived folders or labels you use regularly, because the message may not be gone at all. It may just be stored somewhere else in Gmail. Another important step is to check whether a filter is hiding your emails. To do this, click the settings gear icon in Gmail, then choose See All Settings. From there, go to Filters and Blocked Addresses. Look through the list carefully and see if any filters are automatically archiving, deleting, marking as read, or skipping your inbox. If you find a filter that is affecting your old emails, you can edit it or remove it so future messages show up properly. If your Gmail inbox is still not showing older emails after checking all of that, try narrowing your search even more with different keywords, different dates, or a specific sender. Sometimes the email exists, but the search terms need to be more exact. You can also use Gmail's advanced search options to help you locate messages faster. That's it. Now you know how to fix old emails not showing in Gmail by checking all mail, using search operators, reviewing spam and trash, and making sure no filters are hiding your messages. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick Gmail tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.